I've let Emma have another 5 minutes out of the cage today. I hate Wednesdays and Thursdays because I can't have the birds out as long as I need them to usually be, because I work full days on those days at the charity, so I only really have the doves out for about an hour and a half each, and the teals out for about an hour, because I don't get to spend the day with the birds. But they still appreciate being out, and quite a contrast to her foraging up here, and lazy boy here eating out of the bucket again. Though he's got a real variety of food in there. He's got the cockatiel food and the dove food, and things like grit and everything. Is literally whatever I'm throwing out. I don't tend to throw it out. I tend to This is along with the other stuff that I feed the pigeons. Whenever I throw it out, I just go and feed the pigeons on my windowsills. We'll go out in the street and just throw the bucket as it is. Yeah, I've always got seeds. I've got about, probably on any one given time, I've got about 150 kilograms worth of seeds in one form or another. I buy it in bulk from them all over the place, because I don't just feed these birds. I also go out and feed local pigeons, local doves, other wild birds. Spend quite a lot of my income on feeding birds, to be honest. Don't worry about it, it's okay. You can eat what you want. I'm just zooming in down there so that I can get a better view of what you're eating. To be fair though, this food must look like an utter feast for a bird to stumble across. Big bucket like this.